Are you ready for the departure brief?
Go ahead.
Okay, the newest WETA show good condition. We'll plan for a push and start for a 4-engined taxi. There are no hotspots along our taxi route. It will be capped in the flight-on-flight controls and no need for radar today. We'll plan on a normal thrust takeoff prior to you for the controls in case of any master warning, engine fire or failure that will prevent for flying the aircraft safely. We'll abort and stop on runway. After V1, we'll take it flying and deal with it on the air and plan to come back here. Any questions?
No questions.
Okay, that complete the brief.
Please release parking brake.
Parking brakes are released.
Commencing pushback. You can start the engines in sequence.
It will start in the sequence.
Start engine 1 and 2. Engines 1 and 2, good engines, start confirmed. Start engines 3 and 4. Engines 3 and 4, good engines, start confirmed. All engines start.
Okay, pushback completed. Please set your parking brake.
Parking brake set.
Parking brake set. Lowering aircraft.
Ground. Startup is complete. You may disconnect.
Roger. Good engine start. Cleared to disconnect. See you at the side. Have a good flight.
Holding position waiting for the visual. Thank you and goodbye.
Flaps 1. Flight control check.
Ready. Full left. Full right. Full up. Full down. Rudder full left. Back to neutral. Rudder full right. Back to neutral. Flights controls check completed.
Seat belt. If there is a change in cabin pressure, an oxygen mask will automatically drop in front of you. Pull the mask down sharply. Place it over your mouth and nose. Pull the lateral straps to tighten it and breathe as usual. Secure your mask first before helping others. It is normal for the bag to not fully inflate. There are several emergency exits in this aircraft. Take a few moments now to locate your nearest exit, which may be behind you. Count the rows of seats to the closest exit in front and behind you. In the unlikely event of an emergency, or when you hear the command, brace, brace, assume the brace position. If you can reach the seat in front of you, lower your head and place it on the back of the front seat. Place your hands on top of your head. Keep your feet flat on the floor and heels towards your seat. If you can't reach the seat in front of you, lower your head and lean forward as far as you can. Place your hands on top of your head. In an emergency evacuation, floor-level lighting will lead you to your nearest exit. Before using an evacuation slide, remove any high-heeled shoes and be sure to leave everything behind. To put on your life vest, remove it from the plastic cover and slip it over your head. Pass the straps around your waist, connect the clip, and pull to tighten. Inflate the life vest by pulling the red tabs or blowing into the mouthpiece. Life vests have a whistle and a light to attract attention. Special life vests are available for children. Inflate your life vest only at the exit door and step into the raft. Life vests are located under or between your seats. All large electronic devices, such as laptops, must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing. Lightweight electronic devices, such as mobile phones and tablets, must be switched off or set to flight mode. During these times, charging your electronic devices is also not allowed. If you're not using your device, it must be held in your hand or placed in the seat pocket in front of you. If your device drops into the gap between the seats, refrain from adjusting the seat and ask the cabin crew for assistance. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, including the charging and use of e-cigarettes, is prohibited throughout the aircraft, including the lavatories. Thank you for your attention. Refer to the safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you for more information. On behalf of Singapore Airlines, we hope you have a great time on board as well as in Singapore or anywhere else in the world we take you.
Takeoff thrust set.
Takeoff thrust set check.
Rotate. V2.
Positive rate.
Gear up.
Gear up check.
I have control.
500. 400. 400. 100 above, 300. Minimum,
Continue.
200. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5. Auto brake off. Thirty, 20, retard, 5,